Hey, friends, check out my YouTube channel, 1 Minute Recipe. Uh, you can see all of my shorts and even check the live views for yourself. The most interesting part is that I created all of these shorts simply by chatting with ChatGPT, getting prompts, and using the YouTube Create app. Uh, but now I'm going to take things to the next level with more advanced techniques, better visuals, cinematic scenes, AI powered workflows, and professional editing. And the best part, I'm going to teach you the entire process step by step so you can create viral recipe shorts too, even if you don't have a camera or cooking experience. Subscribe to the channel and join me on this AI recipe creation journey. I just found an anime ASMR cooking niche that is absolutely insane. Seriously, when you see the final result, it's almost impossible to look away. It actually makes you hungry. And the craziest part is that everything is animated in an anime style. Just snorts. Take a look at this Instagram creator. They had the idea to start this niche, and when you look at the performance of their videos, it's obvious why it's blowing up. The views are absolutely exploding, as you can see on the screen. And if this niche interests you, make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create these kinds of videos yourself. Before we start, take a look at what I was able to make in just a few minutes.
Hi! Today I'll show you how to make delicious chicken biryani using fresh ingredients. Marinate the chicken with yogurt, spices, herbs, and lemon juice. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Fry the onions until golden and boil the basmati rice with whole spices until it's 70% cooked. Layer the chicken, rice, fried onions, herbs, saffron milk, and ghee. Cover the pot tightly and cook on low heat. Your homemade chicken biryani is ready. Serve hot and enjoy every delicious bite.
Pretty impressive, right? First, open ChatGPT. As always, I've prepared a super detailed prompt for you, and you'll find it in the description below. Simply copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT, and it will instantly generate 10 food ideas that would work perfectly for this niche. If the dish you want isn't on the list, no problem. You can ask for any dish you want. For this example, I'm going to choose number 5. As soon as you make your choice, ChatGPT will generate a highly detailed AI video prompt that's ready to use. Now let's generate the video. Open Google Flow, then open the settings. Switch to video mode, select the 9:16 vertical format, keep OmniFlash as the model, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is ready, paste in your prompt and click Generate. A few moments later, here's the result. Isn't that incredible? You can even try a completely different dish, and you'll see that the results are just as amazing every single time. As you can see, in just a few minutes, you can create these incredibly satisfying anime cooking videos that have the potential to attract millions of views. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more viral AI niches, powerful prompts, and step-by-step tutorials like this one. I wish you the best of luck with your creations. Let's go.